Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the BSS Tech. So today we are introducing this next ribbon, word art styles ribbon, in which we can how to make your text more comfortable. So if you want to make text editing, select text box. If you want to select any kind of text type or text effect, you can select from here, just like I select this. And now if I select just like this one, and now I'm writing this like this. If you want any kind of word styles, you can select from here, and if you want to clear it, you can clear and click on clear and it will clear it. Now coming to if you want to fill your text with colors, select your text, come on text fill, and now give it any kind of color you want. If you want more colors, simply select more fill colors and you can select from here OK. So if you want to give it text outline, select here any kind of color and it will give text outline. If you want more colors, select more outline colors and select from here. And if you want to give it a more weight, select from any kind of weight from here. And if you want to give it like dash in the style of dashes, select from any kind of this from here. Now coming to the next text effects. If you want to give your text effects like shadow, reflection, glow, 3D, or you want to transform in just like any kind of rotation, you can simply select from here. Transform. If you want to give it a 3D look, you can select from this here. If you want to give a look, you can simply give it from here. If you want to give it a glow, simply select any of color. And if you want to select a color of glow, you can simply select from here more glow colors. If you want to give a reflection from here, you can give shadow from here, any kind of your text effects. Now coming to this part. Now if you want to get your text, you are writing in text, and if you want to bring forward or to send backward, simply select this. Like this is a shape and here's your text. Now select text, bring forward or send to backward. If you want to make your text beside your object, beside your shape, if you want to make it in front of your shape, in front of your object, you can simply select. If you want to align it, simply select your text and align it from here. It's like align left. If you want to make align center, if you want to align right align, if you want to make any kind of align middle, align bottom, distribute horizontally, any kind of you can select from here. And if you want to make it size affordable, you can simply make its height and width. This is the size, it's not of text, it's of shape. Simply select shape and you can simply make your size affordable.